In front of me is OPPO Reno11 F, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by selecting Settings and clicking on Bluetooth. Then use this switcher at the top to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, tap on this icon right next to your device and select Unpair under device name. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!